Well, snow is going to be ending tonight on this alert day, but the travel impacts may linger tonight through Saturday morning with snowy and slick travel conditions. Any additional snowfall likely to be between a coating to 1 inch of accumulation, making for storm totals between about 2 to up to 3 inches of snow. A live look at downtown does show you the snowy conditions. There has been some snow-covered roadways, although with snowfall lightening up, we should see some improvement during the overnight time frame. Doppler radar shows you some of those light snow showers across the Toledo metro. Overall, some drier air is starting to work on in, especially south of Toledo, and that dry air is fueling the snow showers gradually winding down and tapering off. Now, visibility right now is only at about 1 mile in Toledo, and whenever we do get these snowflakes flying, it can make travel just a little bit harder to see on the roadways. So give plenty of space with you in the car in front. Looking at low pressure, we are tracking a system that is moving off towards the mid-Atlantic region, and here in the Buckeye State, we're seeing those snow showers winding down. Hour by hour forecast does show you snow showers winding down shortly after midnight, but even with the snow ending, we still have snow covered roadways, and we've been keeping a live look at the roads through Defender, checking out some snow coated roadways. I believe we're in South Toledo still, and looking at roads that may feature a bit of snow that remains overnight. Up to 1 inch of accumulation is going to be possible. Additional snowfall. This is tonight on top of what we have received already. In other words, not a ton of extra snow, but could still cause a few more snow-covered roadways. Friday evening into Friday night, we're looking at snow that's going to be ending. Could see a few slick spots into the morning time frame, so just use some caution on those roads. And we could actually see some sunshine that'll brighten up your mood and make shoveling just a little bit easier tomorrow morning when the sky does turn brighter. Flurries are going to be ending early in the day on Saturday. Temperatures near freezing, a little bit of a breeze blowing in out of the west, but some sunshine should be for a nice treat on your Saturday. Overall, the 10-day forecast is expected to be colder than normal. High temperatures both weekend days going to be around the freezing mark. Sunday could see a late day snow shower or two, but overall most of the day does look to be dry. Into your Monday and Tuesday, scattered snow showers, a much chillier breeze. In fact, Tuesday only making it up to the teens for those high temperatures. Wednesday is likely to be cold as well. Temperatures do moderate back towards freezing on Friday as we approach the coldest days of the winter season. By the tail end of the forecast, could see some additional snow chances, but overall not seeing any major winter storms on the horizon, just a plain old cold weather pattern. So likely the snow that accumulated today not going to be melting anytime soon. Jeff, Kaylee?
I think the thing I noticed the most tonight, and you've talked about it, you and Chris both talked about it, with the temperature, we may have not gotten a whole lot of snow, but it is slick.
Yeah, and the timing was also key. With it falling after dark, it just sticks a little bit more readily than if it were to fall during the broad daylight.